Hi everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today I want to talk about some crashing issues that I've been having using Corel Videostudios. This applies to the newest version, 2019. I've been having crashing issues just editing clips. Also, I've been having my entire PC completely shutting down when rendering. I'm going to tell you some solutions about how I fix those coming up next. If this is your first time watching YourSixStudios video, make sure you leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Like I stated before, I've been having crashing issues non-stop with this software. I like the software, the simplistic designs. One thing that really annoys me is how there's still pop-up ads to buy stuff after I already bought this. It's so annoying. Besides having the pop-up ads for something you already bought, you do have a lot of crashing issues with this software, and I'm going to show you one solution that I've come across just in terms of editing any kind of clips. If we go up to settings right here, click on settings, and then go down to preferences, click on preferences, and then go over to the performance tab right here and select that. And any kind of smart proxy or decoder acceleration, just turn all of that stuff off in this list. Enable smart proxy, enable hardware decoder acceleration, file creation, decoder acceleration, and performance optimization. Turn all of that off. Something with my computer and the decoder acceleration that is on the software seems like it's causing some sort of friction and just crashing the software altogether. And when I turn those settings off, it seems like I never have crashing issues. So why don't you guys try that out, see if it helps you. Another thing that would happen to me is when I'd be rendering clips, my entire computer would just completely shut down. I ended up downloading a software that monitored the temperature of my computer, and I realized it was a result of having a high temperature in my casing. And my computer would just auto shut down to protect the hardware that's inside of it. I have a pretty lengthy video on how to fix that. If you go ahead and click the card that's popping up right now, I believe that should help you out without having to buy anything extra and having to open up your case of your computer. So let me know down in the comments below if just turning off the decoder acceleration helped you guys out. Go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and check out some of the other videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.